Hello students, today we will start with the new chapter, that is unit 8, redox reactions. See, redox reaction, the name itself is telling that these are the reactions in which reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously. Okay, these reactions are called redox reactions. Now here we'll study about the oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agents and reducing agents. Okay, see, oxidation, if you are talking about, it means addition of oxygen, like C plus O2 gives CO2. So oxidation of carbon is taking place here. Here if you are talking about CO plus O2 gives CO2, it means oxidation of this carbon monoxide is taking place here. So addition of oxygen, it is called oxidation, and removal of hydrogen, it is also called oxidation. Like H2S and Cl2, when these two are reacting, we are getting HCl and sulfur. Okay, so if we'll see this reaction, so in this reaction, see, removal of hydrogen is taking place from sulfur. H2S, it is changing to sulfur only, and removal of hydrogen is taking place. Since removal of hydrogen is here from sulfur, it means oxidation of this H2S is taking place. Okay, oxidation of H2S is taking place. The another example is HCl plus MnO2, and we are getting MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. So if we'll see here, see, HCl is here and HCl is changing to Cl2. So if we'll see, then removal of hydrogen is taking place, HCl, it is changing into Cl2, and from here removal of hydrogen is taking place. It means oxidation of HCl is taking place here. It is also an oxidation reaction, so addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Now oxidizing agent, a substance which provides oxygen, which is supplying oxygen, that is an oxidizing agent, or which removes hydrogen, that substance is also called oxidizing agent. Just remember one thing, oxidizing agent, it is a substance which itself get reduced. Either it is providing oxygen to another one, it means losing oxygen itself, getting reduced itself, or removes hydrogen. If it is removing hydrogen, it is taking away hydrogen from any substance, then too it is reducing itself and oxidizing the other substance, and such substances are called oxidizing agents. Now reduction, addition of hydrogen, see, H2 plus Cl2, addition of hydrogen is taking place in chlorine, it means chlorine, it is getting reduced, reduction of chlorine is taking place. If we talk about H2S and Cl2, here H2S and Cl2, they are reacting and we are getting HCl and sulfur. If we'll see, chlorine, it is if we'll see here, see, H2S and Cl2, they are combining together, and addition of hydrogen is taking place in chlorine, we are getting HCl here, addition of hydrogen is taking place in chlorine, it means chlorine is getting reduced. Now removal of oxygen, CuO plus C, it means reduction of copper oxide is taking place here. This oxygen, it will be gained by this carbon or coke, and this copper oxide will get reduced, reduction of copper oxide. Here if we'll see, zinc oxide and C, and these two reactions we have read in the metallurgy process also, reduction of metal oxides to metal. And see, removal of oxygen is taking place from zinc oxide, it means zinc is getting reduced. Okay, reducing agent, a substance which provide hydrogen, itself it gets oxidized but it reduces the other substance. So if it is reducing any other substance, it means either it is providing hydrogen to that substance, or it is removing oxygen from that substance, itself it will get oxidized. Here we'll take an example where H2S and chlorine, they are combining together and we are getting HCl and sulfur. So if we'll see this H2S is there, and this H2S, here from this H2S, removal of hydrogen is taking place. Removal of hydrogen is taking place from this H2S, and we are getting sulfur. it means H2S is getting oxidized. If we'll see chlorine, chlorine is gaining hydrogen here, it means reduction of chlorine is taking place. So if we talk about oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent, see oxidation of which substance is taking place? Of H2S, because it is removing this H2S. From this H2S, hydrogen is being removed, reduction of chlorine is taking place, oxidizing agent is Cl2 and reducing agent is H2S. Thank you.